Hi everyone, Floyd here and welcome to my vlog. This is the vlog where I share about my sneaker collection journey, my tips and how-tos, and also my OFW life. And for tonight's episode, it's quite interesting because I just came back with my family and friends and we visited the Jewel Changi Mall, which is directly connected to Changi Airport. It's the newly built mall beside Changi Airport and it will be open to public on April 17. This mall is perfect for you if you have several hours to spare before leaving Singapore because it has a lot of shops where you can do last minute shopping. It has 200 plus dining options. Two of those are A&W and also Shake Shack. And also it has an IMAX theater. Besides those things, one of the main feature of this mall, of Jewel Changi Mall, is the HSBC Rain Vortex. Now on this video, I'm going to show you a snippet of how it looks like. And also we're very fortunate that we're able to catch the premiere of the Lights and Sound show of HSBC Rain Vortex. So I'm going to show you the snippet of it. Let's go! So guys, that's it. And because there's a very huge crowd earlier, I wasn't be able to catch all the facilities and all the stores there to show you. But I'm planning to make another video and planning to go back there. So please do subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. I hope you like this video. Please click that like button and also share it to your friends. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless.